Bird got out. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. As you guys saw from the thumbnail and title, our bird got out. Blue, what do you, okay. Okay. Blue, what are you doing?
No, se salió porque voy a limpiar su jaula y se salió.
My mom left the door open and Blue got out. Pollita still is in there.
No sé, tengo que limpiar su jaula. ¿Y si se asusta cuando empiece a mover la jaula?
He's gonna fly off. Oh my god. Oh. Wait, are you still in there safe? Oh, Angel. Shook a freaking thing. This is stressful. It's not wanting to focus. ¿Todavía estás usando el papel de que te di el otro día? ¿Really?
No
Había
tengo
mucho,
terminado.
¿verdad? Blue is still up there, just chilling.
Why are you thinking about that anyway?
Angel?
Door closed. Well, that's the end of the video. I had no footage, guys. I want to be honest, I have no footage. And I want to vlog because I'm bored and I have no footage. And the bird got out, I'm like, let's vlog this. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace, love, stay awesome, be happy, and make the world a better